Hi, I'm Edith Ray. I'm a holistic nutritionist, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own chocolate, because I'm Swiss and we love chocolate. But as with everything else, I want to use the best ingredients in my chocolate. So you need coconut butter, and I melted it already, cocoa powder, the unsweetened one, and then some kind of sweetener. So you can use honey or you could use maple syrup here in Canada. And the fun part is when you make your own chocolate that you can add any other ingredients that you would like. For example, peanut butter or flaxseed or hemp seed, one of my favorites, or coconut or pumpkin seeds or chia seeds, or any of these flavors like spices, like cinnamon of course for me, and vanilla. Any of those things, make your own creation. You could even put chopped nuts or berries or any of those things that you like into it. Okay, let me show you how to do it. We take one equal part, so I do it with half a cup of coconut butter, and you want to melt it. I pre-melted it. The equal amount of cocoa powder into the pot, and we stir that. And then all we have to add is the sweetener, and so I'm gonna add Canadian pure maple syrup since we're in Canada, and probably about 1 or 2 tablespoons, but according to your taste. And that's it. When everything is mixed well and looks beautiful like this, I'm just gonna pour it into a little container that is gonna be easier to pour it into my molds. So you can use anything for molds. So here we go, our homemade chocolate. We put this in the freezer for about half an hour, and then we can enjoy it. So let's try it. So good. Hope you'll try it too.